How to write a solicited application letter. Solicited application letter. Date, May 10, 2019. 2. ATTN address, postal code, country. Subject, solicited application letter. Dear Mr., Mrs., I have seen your advertisement and _ state place, dated _ for the post of. Mention post. I am interested to apply for the job. I have a graduate degree in. Mention subjects, and currently I am working in a private firm as. Mention job profile. I have around ... years of work experience in this job. I am looking for better prospects to work, and your company is one of the best employee-friendly companies in the industry. I will be happy to be associated with your company. I am sending all my certificates for your perusal. Please verify them and let me know if I am suitable for the position. If I am selected, I shall put in all my efforts and excel in the job. Looking forward to hear from you. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly. Looking forward to your reply. Yours sincerely, name, signature, formal name plus title. Check out and download the template. www.allbusinesstemplates.com